Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting your camera and Lightroom. Do this now. Plug a USB 3.0 cable directly into the computer or enable your camera's Tether Wi-Fi. Once done, set the camera to RAW or RAW plus JPEG for best image data and switch the camera into Tether or PC remote mode so Lightroom can recognize it. Then open Lightroom Classic and choose File, Tethered Capture. Start Tethered Capture. Pick a session name and destination. This ensures images import immediately. Now configure how images arrive and show up. This is critical. In the Tethered dialog, pick Destination Folder, File Name Template, and apply a Metadata and Develop preset so images are consistent on import. Make sure preview size balances speed versus quality. Smaller previews load faster for client review. Use Live View if your camera supports it to judge focus, and adjust exposure or white balance on the camera. Lightroom will reflect changes as each file arrives, letting you iterate quickly. Finish by reviewing, culling, and exporting. Move through images fast. You use the grid view for quick checks, flag favorites, then zoom to one to confirm focus and detail. Once chosen, export with your preset sizes, color profile, and watermark for clients. If the tether disconnects, first replug the cable and ensure the camera is awake, then restart the Lightroom tether session. If problems persist, try a different USB port and disable USB power saving. That usually fixes intermittent drops.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.